Basic life support. Basic life support is the minimum help that one can provide to the patient in a situation of life and death when there is no material aid present in the surrounding. In case of emergency, anyone, anywhere can provide BLS. Protocol for BLS in adults is as shown in the chart, which has to be followed. Based on it, we are showing you a small situation. When we encounter an emergency situation, follow first the basic rules. Be courageous to save someone. Approach to the patient only after ensuring the safe surrounding. And check the responsiveness of the patient. Call for nearby help and also alert the emergency services. As shown in the chart, assess pulse and respiration and continue accordingly. Simultaneously check pulse on the carotid artery by drawing 3 fingers from the Adam's apple to the anterior border of sternocleidomastoid and look for breathing tangentially. If there is no pulse and breathing, start CPR by placing one hand on the chest at the lower part of the sternum and locking the other hand on it. Start compressing in such a way that the depth of the compression is 5 centimeters in adults. Push hard and push fast so as to give 100 compressions per minute. With 2 breaths at every 30 compressions with visible chest rise and allow complete recoil of the chest. While giving the breaths, extend the neck, pinch the nose and lift the chin, then blow in the mouth. Check pulse again every 2 minutes. If someone arrives, that unaided second rescuer can be helpful to prevent exhaustion. Continue CPR. The second rescuer can take over the compression to prevent exhaustion and can also give breaths. If the second rescuer arrives aided, then follow the protocol further. Continue CPR. While the aider applies the AED and further follow the instructions of the AED machine.
Apply pads to patient's bare chest. Plug in pad connector next to flashing light. Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient. Shock advised. Charging. Stay clear of the patient. Deliver shock now. Press the orange button. Shock delivered. Start CPR.
Continue CPR for 2 minutes, then again check the rhythm. While giving bag and mask respiration, hold the mask snugly on patient's mouth with thumb and index finger pressing the mask, while the other 3 fingers gripping and lifting the mandible. The following video is a sequence for non-shockable rhythm.
Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient. No shock advised. If needed, start CPR.
Continue CPR for 2 minutes, then again check the rhythm. Check the pulse and respiration of the subject simultaneously. In case if pulse is present but the respiration is not, then go for mouth-to-mouth breathing. Extend the head of the patient, clean his mouth and keep a clean cloth over his lips. Pinch his nostrils with one hand and grasp his lower jaw with the other, between the thumb and the index finger, and lift it. Now take a deep breath and blow into the patient's mouth until the chest expands. Take your mouth away and allow passive expiration. Keep on giving the breaths at a rate of 10 to 12 breaths per minute with one breath every 5 to 6 seconds, which can be counted by saying 1 1000 till 5 5000. Check the pulse every 2 minutes. In any of the case, if the patient starts recovering, then give recovery position. That is, say hi, sorry, and lay him by the side. For infants, there is a slight change in the steps of the protocol as follows. If you are alone, first check responsiveness. Check his pulse and breathing simultaneously. If pulse is absent, start chest compression with 2 fingers placed vertically on lower part of the chest and apply pressure with a depth of 1.5 inches. Give 15 compressions followed by 2 breaths. If 2 rescuers are present, continue chest compression by encircling your hand around the chest of the baby and giving compression with both the thumbs at a depth of 1.5 inch, while the other rescuer provides with breath after 15 compressions.